All right, Emma's going to go. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6. You can keep going if you want. 7, 8, 9. Okay. Oh, 9 might be it for today. Good. This will be interesting. Left leg this time. Here we go. Oh no, can't do. So her right leg is a lot stronger than her left leg, but her left leg your left leg's getting stronger. So just keep attacking the weaker leg. That's what's great about single leg. And this is gonna help her add inches. When her left leg starts to catch up to her right leg, it's gonna be amazing.